Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a chicken bacon broccoli something. I seen it online somewhere. I want to say it was a Facebook reel or something like that, and I'm gonna, put it together, see, maybe we'll like it. I think it's more geared towards keto, but you can always serve it over pasta or anything like that. But I'm just gonna put it all together. It's like a chicken casserole kind of situation. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You're gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream in here. Mix it together. And a little bit of heavy cream. And we're gonna heat it up in the oven instead of on the stove. So this is my onion powder. I love onion powder, so I always put a lot. And we're gonna put a little bit of garlic powder too. You could use fresh on that if you wanted to. You can go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of cheddar to this mixture. I've already cooked some chicken. I did chicken breast, but you could do any cut. I boiled it, but you can use leftover chicken or cook it however you want to. I've already chopped it and set it aside. Chicken. And this is probably a little bit too much chicken, but I just chopped up, it's about 2.5 chicken breasts. And this was fresh broccoli I steamed in the microwave. So, and then I just try to cut it up into a little bit smaller pieces. But you could use frozen, or you could just, probably best just to steam it. And we're gonna go ahead and put in our cream cheese sour cream mixture. May not need one this big, but I did do extra chicken, so. I put about 1/2 cup of cheddar in the mixture, and I'm gonna do about probably another 1/2 cup on top, but you could do more. Okay, and I am gonna sprinkle this with some real bacon pieces. That's it. 375 until everything is melted and bubbly, and you will need to cover it. Okay y'all, so this is the finished product. I did let it rest for about 10 minutes or so before this picture was taken, but it did really well and it smells really great. I want to make some red potato and ham casserole. You need to preheat your oven to about 350 degrees. Go ahead and get your 9x13 sprayed and ready. But I've already cooked some red potatoes and set them aside. I've already got my ham chopped up and set aside. So right now we're going to mix this together. You're going to need a small bowl. You're gonna need a can of cream and potato soup. You're gonna need a packet of ranch dressing, dry mix. You're gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. I'm gonna mix all that up. So we gotta be really careful with these potatoes, y'all, because I kind of overcooked them just a little. Don't cook them too soft or you're gonna have some issues. So got some canned ham and some potatoes, and you're gonna kind of just mix these together, but I'm gonna have to be really careful. I didn't even peel the potatoes, so You want to leave their jackets on, but you can take them off if you prefer. You got to be really careful with these potatoes because red skin potatoes, whew, y'all, they cook. You need to take some Parmesan cheese. This is the Parm that I use. You're gonna need about a half a cup, and you're just gonna sprinkle that on top. And I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on it too. Just a little. A lot of pepper. Okay, so you're gonna cover this with foil. You're gonna have your oven on 350 degrees, and you're only gonna cook it until about 30-35 minutes because everything's pretty much cooked. You just need to melt the cheese and warm it all up. Okay, y'all, so this is out of the oven after I've let it rest just for a few minutes. I lightly folded everything to make sure it was combined really well. And this is the finished product. It tastes really great. I'll see y'all next time.